You out at just the right time, fellas. Trying to keep that yard green.
Start smoking.
Boneyard Lawn Service. What's up? Good morning. Monday, first day of the week. Well, to you guys, first day of the week, second day of the week to me. But yeah. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the bell to get the notifications. Subscribe and hit the thumbs up. I got a long day today, fellas. I got one of my first certified weekly residential customers that I'm going to handle this morning. And it's crazy. I shot this guy one price. When I first checked his home out and gave him an estimate. And when I shot him a price, he's like, look, man, I'm gonna give you 10 bucks more. These guys were trying to tear my head off, the guys I had last year. So, well, you know what I gotta do? I gotta go impress. Hope I ain't have nothing in my mouth, fella. I've been eating bananas this morning. It's crazy, I got bananas and pineapples. I end up going into the donut first, but get her, man, take out some of this, man. Holler at you guys in a second. Man, quick thought. Real quick, this guy's house, I'm trying to get to it now. Sometimes the rough part of the day is driving that trailer. Man, that's the one thing with employee. Just imagine if you wasn't working that day. Put my seatbelt on, and you need somebody to take the trailer out. They don't know how to drive the trailer right. End up backing up, smacking some, jackknifing somebody, jackknifing it, something like that. But luckily, I called him. I said, man, is it a cul-de-sac back there? Like a cul-de-sac set? And he said, yeah, man, you just going around. And it's a circle. That way I can get my trimmers facing the street side. And I'm out of the street. So, just quick thought, man, real quick. We'll get back over here. I'm going to show you what his house looks like. It's a real nice area too, guys. It's one of those type of areas that we love to be in. Those nice weeklies, well taken care of, you feel me? Get in, get up out of there. And a lot of times when you get in areas like this, sounds crazy, but the neighbors, I find some of these neighbors, they be in competition with each other. Oh, he's got his grass looking better than mine. And they might not even know each other. He's trying to outdo me. Might not even know each other though. It's crazy, man. It's in all areas of life, trust me. It just don't be one of those. Just be you. Don't be one of those. So this is the guy's house right here. I'm gonna pull up on it, get this thing knocked out, and holler at you in a second, fellas. I really don't like recording on my first, when I come first to a client's house. I want to get a little comfortable first. Might end up recording and messing up something, lose the job. So, which there will be some good footage too, but we don't want to do that. I'll let you see. All right, fellas, I got that one knocked out. Give you a little Monday mowing talk, man. You see I'm sweating a little bit. The heat is up now. Let's go. But man, the guy just left the whole backyard dog shit. One thing I hate, dog shit. Excuse my language. Dog crap, dog poop. I don't want YouTube to hit me with nothing. But anyway, I hate it. I don't like it. So I told the guy, I said, look, man, I know I gave you the estimate and everything, but I'll go ahead and knock out your front all around the gate and everything. And if we could work out something, if we could work out something, I could just, you know, do half the price. But I don't want to get all the dog crap, man. I don't want to track it. So I got to walking over the yard good. I went ahead and push mowed the back, but I left some of it there because I didn't want to sling any dog crap up with the weed eater. The guy come back out, gave me $20 more. Told me he understands and said, man, you know, me and my wife are gonna figure out something. We're gonna get on Amazon and figure out some way to scoop that poop up so you don't have to go through that, because we want to see you again next week. So that's what I'm talking about, fellas. And say if this was I was working a regular job. If I was at a regular job, you know what they say? Get that dog crap up, go home, clock out. So, man, don't be scared to start out Get out there on your own. Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna take the first over here and drop it off too, man. It got hot and I got something, like I said, it's slowing it down, man, when he fixed it. And I believe it's just the greasing from when he fixed it and he didn't clean it good. So he told me about it. He said if I had problems anytime soon, just bring it to him. So I'm gonna drop the first off. I'm gonna pick up the Toro, and Toro's gonna be with me today. We're gonna run that. And just stay with me, man. I got a few yards. And get you guys some of that good footage like I did yesterday.
Starts